Mr. Bill is an old man. An old man. And over here is Little Puff. Little Puff's a slightly younger man. They're both males, so they hiss and fuss at each other. Look at these turnips. Get off the turnips. Did you just fall off my turnip truck? Anyway, I'm going to be taking these turnips and putting them in the garden. These things are huge. Huge, big old turnips. Oh, they're all various different sizes and shapes. That one looks like it's ready to be washed and cooked. Anyway, some of these I might actually take in, like these two, take them in and cook them. But the rest of them, I think I'm going to put them in the garden and just let the tops grow. See how this is? The tops want to grow. You know, the roots on this side and the greens are on that side, and it's wanting to put out some good greens. So get all these things, get them in the garden. Oop. Sometime today, or the other day. The other day. Anyway, oh, that one's a little purpley on top too. They're all different shapes and sizes. And these right here are definitely ready to put up some top. Stop it. What are you doing? You think I'm talking to you, don't you, cat? Gosh. But anyway, these are ready to put their tops up. Get them growing. You know, I looked up online, did do a little research on turnips. And they say that turnips can withstand frost. Well, they call it top frost, because generally the plant is, you know, in the dirt. You know, so like where my thumb is, the bottom would be under the dirt, and then that'd be on top. And when they say top frost, I guess they mean this top part will withstand frost. And the greens generally can withstand colder weather. So anyway, I did a little research just to find out whether or not I should put them in the gardens. Getting a drink, Mr. Bill? I'll make sure that's refilled in a little bit. Yeah, okay. Out here, I'm getting ready to water this. It's morning time. I just came out here. But out here, I guess you can tell, I've got spinach popping up. See the little spinach plants? As long as I can keep the cats out of here, the spinach will continue to sprout and grow. So I've got little spinach plants. And I did put some more spinach seed out. And some kale seed too. So I'll be watering this again here in a little bit. I'm trying to keep it moist so the little plants will come on. And in here, in this one, I put a bunch more kale seed, because I do have some kale coming up. But you can tell, you know, animals been in there. They just kind of mess things up. I will eventually have to put a fence around this. Stay out of my garden, okay? I will eventually have to put a fence up around all this. But these are slowly coming on. You can see some there. Get the kale coming on, and hopefully it'll do good over the winter time. Kale is one of those things that, you know, it's a darker leafy green, and they can withstand frost. I don't know if they can withstand a freeze necessarily, but I think they'll do okay, especially if I if I do some kind of cover. What do you think, Mr. Bill? Okay, well, darn animals. Look at that over there, messing with my bags of compost. Right there too. I figured it out. It's the deer. There was a young deer coming along, messing with my compost in the bags. And deer are funny. They do some odd things. And then right around here, around back, kind of like in this area, I sprinkled a bunch of kale seeds too, because I want to see if the kale will grow back here. Because a lot of times it's in the shade. So during the summertime, I think this will probably take off and make a great little kale garden. Just an experiment, just to see. And Mr. Bill, gonna get up in there, Mr. Bill? You gonna get up in there? No, you don't like being on camera? Mr. Bill's a big cat. He's a big kitty cat. Ain't no horses in my barn. Alright. I got some work to do. I got some, looks like some vines growing in there. Hope it's not poison ivy. Alright, well anyway, Mr. Bill's got some field mice to go catch, so he wants me to get out of here because I'm just, you know, just messing with his life. So anyway, I'm gonna get busy. I'm gonna water my my little garden again, just to make sure it stays watered and moist. And I'll talk to you later.